Today I'm gonna show you how to make the best pesto of your life. 2 cups of fresh basil. I'm gonna use half a cup of Parmesan cheese, half a cup of olive oil, 3 garlic, salt and pepper. And instead of pine nuts, I'm gonna use walnuts. The good thing about this recipe is that it's very easy to make. Put everything in a blender and it's done. I'm gonna start with the basil. It smells so good. It's gonna fit, it's gonna fit, it's gonna fit. I hope it's gonna fit. It did. Simple as that. So now we're done. If you like the recipe, follow me for more.